Welcome to AJR Organics. I wanted to show you where I prepare all my products. Okay, here's my cold press machine. Here is my product. I have the edge treatment. This is the finished product. I have the cold press oil. Here is the finished product too. It's very clear. This is the castor. I have shampoo, conditioner, and my hair oil treatment. This is cocoa beans. I make my cocoa butter using the machine also. Here is a slow cooker. I use vinegar, rice, white, and apple cider vinegar with my herbs. It will use on my leave-in spray. I make a leave-in spray also. Here I will use glycerin for my extract, food grade glycerin with hydrosol instead of distilled water. Here I will infuse all my oils. Okay, with the castor and some grapeseed oil, and then after I will put the sesame, almond, black, and ground mustard when they are done, because they will stay on warm for 72 hours. I make them together. This is my dry herb. I have moringa. The moringa, I use the flowers, the leaves, and the bark. Okay, I collect seeds from basil. It's the seeds, so I will press them for my hair oil treatment. I have curry leaves. Here is curry leaves. It's good for your hair and keep your hair dark too, a little darker. This is amla. I bought the frozen one. This is amla. And then gooseberry. Okay, and then I dehydrate them. When I dehydrate them, here is amla. To put in my extract, I put fenugreek. This is aloe. I cut the aloe and make powder. Grind them with powder for my extract. This is palmetto berries. These the berries. When I pick them up, I let them dry. I put it in my extract also. They said there is a study who said that palmetto, rosemary, and the daisy is good as a minoxidil. It's good for people who's losing their hair. Minoxidil, or they call it Argan too. It's my seeds that I press. This is black. This is brown sesame seed. This is black mustard. I have yellow mustard. I have gold almond, flaxseed, and pumpkin seed. I press them in my machine and I put it in my hair oil treatment. This is my dehydrator, where I dehydrate aloe, amla, and those Jamaican mint, and the big thyme, because the big thyme and the Jamaican mint, they cannot dry by themselves. They will stay 1-2 months like that without drying. So I chop them and put them in the machine. And this is the dehydrator that I use to press onion, to dehydrate onion, garlic for my spices. Okay. Thank you for watching. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how I use my cold press machine to press my beans. Okay, bye.